So welcome to another exercises for linear equation. So this is already part three of the video lecture. All right. So for another example for fractions. So 2 over 3x plus 1 half equals 4 over x plus 4 over 3. So the first thing that you need to do is again to eliminate these denominators. So you have 3x, you have 2, you have x, you have 3. So you think of a number or the least common denominator. So to eliminate this, alright? So what we need to do is, okay, so let's put a bracket there. Um, and then 3, 3, the common denominator is 6x. Okay, let's write it on both sides. So now let's do the division. So division and then multiplication. So again, here you divide, here you multiply. Right? So 6x divided by 3x, so you eliminate the x, and then 6 divided by 3, that's 2. Times 2, so that's 4. Okay? Then follow the sign, plus 6x divided by 2, that's 3x. Okay? Times 1, that's 3x. Equals 6x divided by x, so you eliminate the x there. 6 times 4, it becomes 24. Follow the sign. Then 6x divided by 3, that's 2x. Times 4, that's 8x. Okay, next. The next step that we do, so we have now the equation, the denominator is, they already have the common denominator, which is 1. Okay, so no need to write that. Now, what we're going to do is, we're going to uh, group them into the same terms. So, 3x at 8x, they have the same terms, so i-group natin siya dito. We will transpose the 8x to the left side and then the 4 to the right side. Okay. So, here, since it's a positive, it becomes negative, positive, negative. So, 3x minus 8x equals 24 minus 4. So, this becomes negative 5x, okay? And then this becomes 20. Now, we need to eliminate the coefficient of the variable x. So, we divide it into its same coefficient. So, this becomes 1, and the variable shouldn't be in negative form. So, this becomes positive x divided by negative 5. So, this becomes negative 4. Alright. Now that we have the x here, or the value of x, what we need to do now is to check whether it's correct. So we now substitute the x here. So let me erase the given solution and then let's try to check if the answer is correct. Okay. So here, let's substitute, becomes negative 4. Here it becomes negative 4. Alright, so this becomes 2 over negative 12 plus 1 half equals 4 over negative 4 plus 4 over 3. So here, the negative here, right, that becomes, even if the denominator is in the negative side or the negative is on the numerator, it's still the same. It's negative 2 over 12. Okay. Now, looking at the denominator, the common denominator that we could use is 12. Okay, because it's divisible to 2, 4, and 3. So let's try. So 12, so 2, okay, still negative, plus 12 divided by 2 is 6 times 1. Okay, so 6 over 12 equals, 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 4. Of course, it's 12 over 12. It's negative, okay, plus 12 divided by 3, it's 4 times 4, it's 16 over 12. So negative 212 plus positive 6 over 12, that is 4 over 12, equals negative 12 over 12 plus 16 over 12 is 4 over 12, or 1, 3. So they have the same um, answer, thus the value of x is correct. Okay, let's have another example in the PowerPoint. Okay, so example number 6 under linear equation. I hope you guys are learning, okay? And you're practicing with me. Okay, next is the 3 over y plus 2 equals 7 over 2y. So again, 2 here, okay, the constant 2 has its invisible denominator, which is over 1. So let's look for um, a number or a denominator that's divisible by y, or 1, 1y, 1, and then 2y. So it's 2. 2y. Alright, so 2y, so again, it's divided by, and then you multiply. So 2y divided by y is 2 times 3, because you eliminate this, times 3, it's 6. So this becomes 6. Plus 2y divided by, so there is over 1 here, so divided by, so it becomes 2, still 2y, plus 2 equals 4y. Equals 2y divided by 2y, so it becomes 1, times 7, it becomes 7. And 4y, so same terms. So we need to transpose it here on the right side. So it becomes 4y equals 7 minus 6. 4y equals 1. Eliminate the 4 here. So y equals 1/4. Now let's see if this is correct, if the value of y is correct. So let me just erase this. Let me just rewrite the y's there. So this is 1 over 4. This is 1 over 4. Okay, so if 3 over 1 over 4, this happens. Okay. So this one, the 3 here has, it's invisible 1 here. So 3 times 4. So numerator, you multiply it to the denominator, then denominator to numerator. So 12 over 1. So no need to write the 1 there. Then here, plus 2 equals, so here, 2 times 1/4, so it becomes 2 over 4. So same thing with what we did here. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so this one has over 1. So we multiply numerator to denominator. So that's 28. Okay. So 28 over 1 times 2 is 2. So 28 times 2 is, 28 divided by 2 is 14. So let's write here 14. So 12 times 2, 14 equals 14. So your answer is correct. You guys get it? Are you getting it? Are you getting it with the linear equation, especially when it comes to variables with fractional coefficients? Okay, let's have another example in your PowerPoint. So number 7. Okay, so for number 7, it's, okay, let me just change my marker. So 2 over x minus 3, right, equals negative 3 over 2 minus x. So, ma'am, paano yan? Paano kapag ganyan yung denominator? Ganito gagawin natin. I-multiply natin both sides doon sa kanya-kanyang denominator. So, ang mangyayari, dalawang beses mo siyang i-multiply. So, yan. So, di ba, whatever you do here on the left side, you do on the right side. So, to eliminate the first denominator, which is x minus 3, okay? So, x minus 3, eliminate natin. Kaya lang dito, gagawin din natin x minus 3. So, mai-eliminate to. Kaya lang ito may matitira, di ba? Okay? So, magiging, kung matitira ito, magiging siyang negative 3, okay, times x minus 3. I-eliminate din natin itong 2x. 2 minus x. So, dito, 2 minus x, para ma-eliminate yan, ito, di ba, na-eliminate na, gagawin din natin sa kabila, 2x. So, magiging, ilagay natin dito, 2 minus x. Ayan. So, magiging dito, 2 times 2 minus x. Nagets nyo yung ginawa ko? So, again, dahil ang denominator natin ay magkaiba, x minus 3, 2 minus x, okay? Yung ganyan yung klase ng denominator mo. Ang gagawin natin is, i-eliminate natin kasi yung parehong denominator. So, para ma-eliminate natin siya, multiply natin siya sa x minus 3 para ma-eliminate to. Kaya lang, magkakaroon ng x minus 3 dito. So, dito siya mapupunta. Okay? And then, eliminate natin itong 2 minus x para mawala yung denominator dito sa kabila. Ganun din ang gagawin natin. So, matitira dito ay 2 times 2 minus x. Kasi nga, di ba magiging 1 yan? Magiging 1. Okay? So, ito na yung magiging equation natin. And then, now that you have this equation, ang next na natin gagawin is to distribute. Okay, so, distribute to, distribute there, distribute this one. So, this is, malabo na naman ang marker. Ayan. So, this means, this one is 4 minus 2x equals negative 3x plus 9. And then, syempre, pagsasamahin ulit natin yung magkakapareho ng terms. So, transpose si 4 sa left side, transpose naman si negative 3x sa right side. So, this becomes negative 2x plus 3x equals 9 minus 4. So, let's do the subtraction since magkaiba sila ng sign. So, this becomes x, okay, kasi nga positive yung mas malaking coefficient, equals 9 minus 4 is 5. Alright, so x, the value of your x is 5. Now, let's try to substitute and check whether the answer is correct. So, burahin muna natin to. Check natin kung tama yung sagot natin. So, x minus 3 sa first denominator, so that becomes 5 minus 3. Ito naman ay 2 minus x, so it becomes 2 minus 5. Alright, so 2 over 5 minus 3, that is equivalent to 2. So, 2 over 2 equals 2 minus 5, that's equivalent to negative 3. So, negative 3 over negative 3, that's 1 equals 1. So, you got the perfect or the correct answer for the value of x. Thank you!